guys. 3, 2, 1. Hurry up! Hurry up! The Titanic is far away, but I think she's getting close. Yep, she already is. She just launched from her dock. She's heading straight for you. Are you gonna do something? Bro, come on. Are you gonna do something about it? Do it! The iceberg is the finish line. The Titanic is getting closer to you. Hurry up! I said hurry up. Now, great. She's gonna hit your stern. Jesus Christ. Crap!
Naman tinapay at chocolate. Ikaw niya na. Ano sa garapon? Nasaan ba? Ay, binili mo ng garapon ng tubig. Lilipat ko na lang mamaya. Ayun o.
Oh!
Hindi ako lalabas. Ayos na ako eh. Nasaklaw. Ayan.
And
Lilipat ko na lang po yan mamaya.
can I see the jumping spider? Boom!
Ayan, naka-jumping spider. Apa mo?